Welcome, friends. Today we embark on a journey to discover the power of choice and how it can help you create a happier, more fulfilling life. In a small village, there lived a wise old man. A young boy eager to learn the power and the secret to a happy life approached the old man with the question, "What is the secret to a happy life?" The old man smiled and said, "My child, the secret to a happy life is simple. It's all about the choices we make." This story holds profound wisdom. Let's explore three key pieces of life seeds that can help you harness the power of choice in your life. Firstly, your choices define your life. Each decision you make shapes the path of your life. Choose to be happy, kind, and hardworking, and you will create a life full of joy and fulfillment. Embrace positivity and always strive for growth. Secondly, take responsibility for your choices. It's important to remember that you have the power to create the life you want. Don't fall into the trap of blaming others or circumstances for your choices. Stand tall, take responsibility, and choose wisely. Lastly, embrace the power of choice. Recognize the incredible power of your choices and embrace it. Every day is a new opportunity to make choices that will bring you closer to your goals and dreams. Be courageous, be decisive, and let your choices guide you to the life of your desire. Your life is a canvas, and your choices are the colors that paint your unique masterpiece. So embrace the power of choice and embark on a journey towards happiness and fulfillment. Remember, the key to a happy life is in your hands. Make your choices wisely and create the life you've always dreamed of.